Yo, what's good, TikTok? Y'all wanted a tutorial for the sky and the dark textures we see here. So I'll give you a uh, quick rundown on how to get them. So first, what you want to do is head to settings and disable shadows, textures, and wraps. You don't have to disable wraps, but it reduces the lag, as you can see here. Uh, I'll go. I'll just do a quick settings rundown. So I don't like the music and I don't like having high volumes. So I have that all set like that. Everything here is normal, I think. Yeah, pretty sure. That's my sense. My sense is at 0.3, while my Roblox sense is at 0.84. Ads 80 ads bro. ADS sensitivity multiplier is at 0.5. Camera zoom effect 0. That's like when I zoom in, it doesn't zoom in the FOV. It just stays like that. Because some people asked to. That's this setting. Field of view is 117. Field of view effect 0. Camera shake 0. Off. Yeah, nothing else here. Crosshair, I won't go over that. I just scroll down and show y'all. You can pause. Yeah. Keybinds, I only have like two keybinds that are weird. I deleted crouch. I don't like crouch, and I slide on E because I don't ask me. My fingers can't comprehend how to press shift, so I set it to E. It's easier for me to play. Yeah, that's it with the settings. So we go into the tutorial now. So first, what y'all want to do is go to bloxstrap.org, download latest version. You can view a short ad, and then you can click on here, Bloxstrap, and get the download, or you can click up here. Doesn't matter. You download it, extract the zip file. I think it's a zip file, and you just leave it like that first before we get into the next step. So now you want to look into my description in my profile, my TikTok profile. There's a Discord link, and you can join it, and you will find this channel called TikTok tutorial. You want to go in there, and here you have everything you need, right? You can see dark textures 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the darkest one, 3 is the lightest one. You can like pick which one you want. You can try out all three. It doesn't take more than a minute to apply uh, new textures. Then we have skyboxes. Uh, those are two folders filled with skyboxes. Not only like one or two, I think it's in total 35 skyboxes, like custom skies. And if it did, oh god, and if it doesn't work, you download Skybox Fix and you do put it in to the folders needed. I'll show you in a minute. And after that, you put in the skyboxes you want. So now we head into the files tutorial, how to set everything up. Okay, so now we're in the downloads folder. I just downloaded everything. Now you wanna like extract the file you want. Then you can see it's like plastic and studs. That's for the dark textures. You don't do anything to that. You just, for me, it's like here, you go to Bloxstrap to the download you did. You right click and open file location. And then you'll get to this here. And then you like search it up. It's gonna be a shortcut, as you can see here. You right click again and you do the same thing, like open in file location. Now you're in the Roblox files. You can edit stuff here. So you go to versions, click on the version, and then you go to platform content. Now we're like in the Roblox version. PC for me. I think it's working on Android too, and iOS. I don't know if Bloxstrap has Android or iOS, but if not, you can find like a different launcher. There's multiple. So now you'll go into textures, and here you can you can see studs and plastic, and you just copy these two. For PC, it's strgc. Go into this folder, strgv, and replace files in the destination. That's the most important thing. Like, and boom, you're done with the dark textures in the arena. Mostly, it's working on other maps, but not all the textures are dark in the other maps. But on arena, it works like that. So now that we want skies, we go in here, go to, let's say we extract this one, Roblox skies here. Then you can see there are multiple skies, and you can see a preview image of the current sky you wanted to download. It's this one here, it's Aurora. But I'm gonna unpack the second zip, this one here, because it has light pink, and that's the skybox I'm using. So I'm copying all these as you can see. Then we go back into the Roblox textures folder, and you can see there's sky. It's that easy. There's sky, you double click, strgv. This destination has 6 files with the same names. You replace all the files in the destination, and boom, you're done. Dark textures and what is the skyboxes. It's that easy. No, I'm not gonna lie, that's it. And so now you want to open Bloxstrap. You go to configure settings. Don't launch it yet. Configure settings. Then you go into Bootstrap. Engine settings. You gotta go down to fast flag editor. That's important. And you don't just put anything in there. Like, this will break your Roblox if you put it in wrong. So make sure it is at FF lag debug sky gray false. You have to set it to false because it doesn't work with gray skies. So put it to false and you should be good. So press on save, make sure to save. Then we open and launch our Roblox. We start a Roblox here. We head into Rivals, servers. I'm going on my private server. I don't want to join the friend right now because I'm doing the tutorial. The fuck is that? Ew. Ah, fuck you. And boom, we have dark textures. It's that easy, literally. It's that easy.